Now, collectivism or individualism, which one do you think is more important? I would tell you that both of them are as important to humans. And here are the reasons why. History tells us that if it wasn't for collectivism, human cultures won't even exist in the first place. Where collectivism refers to the principle of giving a group priority over each individuals in it. Is that important to us is because basic cultural elements like languages, communities, and even friendship all requires collectivism to exist. It is present on basically all human cultures, and that's what allows large groups of individuals to stay together and share a common identity. And collectivism is also not unique to humans. It is present on all kinds of social life forms. Now, if you look at highly intelligent animals that are solitary just like octopuses, they cannot form their own communities. And for social life forms like humans, we are biologically evolved to use collectivism, where history tells us that people who spend too much time alone, being isolated like on an island or in the wilderness for several years or even decades are very likely to become mentally ill and even lose the ability to use languages. So, that means being isolated or alone for long periods of time can be really bad for your mental health. On the other hand, individualism can also be really important to human civilizations, where individualism refers to the social principle of favoring the freedom of actions for the individuals over the collective. This concept is what allows art and science to become more diverse, and is also what allows people to become more creative and create more different inventions. The use of individualism also allows more humane and equal laws to be developed. That is one of the reasons why human rights and the related concepts like gender and racial equality can be invented. It also allows people to discover their own personal potentials and talents, and that can create a more successful and comprehensive educational system. And would you wonder what a society without enough individualism is like? You can look at countries that are ruled by dictators. That was where most people would lose the freedom of speech and religion, and also many people would be forced to work or to live in some really dangerous conditions. That means totalitarianism and dictatorship is what a society without individualism can result in. Where I believe that none of you watching this video right now would like to live in a society like that. By looking at examples from all around the world, I realized that individualism and collectivism should go hand in hand with each other. They should become friends rather than opponents. Despite being two totally different concepts, both individualism and collectivism are as important to humans. This has been a brief or even overly simplified introduction to the importance of collectivism and individualism. And once again, thank you for watching. If you enjoy our video today, then please go and check out other of our videos. You'd probably like and enjoy them too.